says, quoting here, it is insensitive and uncaring for the Muslim community to build a mosque in the shadow of Ground Zero. Unfortunately, the president caved into political correctness.
You okay, we?
Islamic Center's leaders say they plan to build the $100 million facility 3 blocks
Do it again, we.
from the site of the 9/11 attacks. The developer describes the project an Islamic community center. At least one massive tornado touched down in southern Minnesota yesterday. Look at how massive this is. This video is from the town of Hayfield. No reports of any injuries so far, but storms ripped apart trees, knocked down power lines, literally tore roofs off of homes.
Do it again, babe.
81-mile-an-hour winds were reported, and this is how powerful it was. An 18-wheeler was blown over in one city. President Obama, First Lady, and their daughter, Sasha, Coast, City, Florida. People to know that the big oil spill should not keep visitors away. But the big question that everyone seems to be wondering, will the president get in the water during his mini vacation? Press Secretary Robert Gibbs did not say, only telling reporters, quote, stay tuned.
Jump, William, jump.
The president's 5th trip to the Gulf region since the April oil spill.
Yeah.
Choppy water and heavy rain in the Gulf of Mexico are causing another round of tar balls to wash up along beaches in Gulf Shores, Alabama. But this newest bit of bad news from the
Say bye-bye.
disaster isn't worrying people.
Wait.
The tar balls are a slight inconvenience. That's all I can say about them.
Uh-oh.
But, you know, in an ideal world, it wouldn't be here, but neither would mosquitoes.
The churning of the surf is uncovering covered up water, and that's coming onto the beach. And we expected that, and in reality, I'm glad we've got that. Because if we're going to deal with it, let's deal with it this year and get it over with.
Some good perspective, right? The new tar balls started coming ashore on Wednesday. The state of Alabama is suing BP and Transocean for damages from the Gulf
Wow.
oil spill. In a statement, Alabama's attorney
heavy,
general
huh?
said the lawsuit could be settled if BP suddenly decides to quote, do right by the people of the state. So far, no comment from BP. The company says it doesn't comment on lawsuits. Former NASA Chief Sean O'Keefe is in serious condition. He was the most critically injured of the 4 survivors of Monday's plane crash in Alaska. 5 people, including former Senator Ted Stevens, were killed in that crash. O'Keefe suffered a dislocated hip. His son is listed in fair condition. It took rescuers 12 hours to reach the crash site. Officials say those who died in the crash could not have been saved, even if rescue teams had arrived at the site. There is no word from California authorities on what caused the death of a woman who was missing for 11 months. Police confirmed 24-year-old Mitrice Richardson's skeletal remains were found